Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to make a Excel sheet into a checked fashion color. Okay, so how to color it like a checked fashion. Okay, what I have is two different types of checks. One is the this fashion. Okay, in this fashion we have alternative rows are colored, also the alternative columns are colored. Okay, and again there is another check fashion where the check is for each alternative cell. Okay, it's like a tiles. Okay, so these two fashions we are going to color it now. Okay, so the first one is check one. How to do it? This one. Okay, I want the alternative to be colored. For example, I want this is the, for example, this is my row. I want each cell, I want the row number. Then what I have is that I have different row numbers. I want to color the alternative row number. In other terms, I want to color those row numbers are even. Okay, even row numbers I want to color it. Okay, so how can I find the even row numbers? The row brackets will bring you the row number. Okay, then if I put is even, the function is even, then it will bring the whether the row number is even or not. Okay, so for the even row numbers, it will become, for those cells in the even row numbers, it will become true. Okay, for those cells they are not even row number, will become false. Okay, this way I will get the rows. Okay, so similarly for this column wise also I will do the same, but this time I am going to use the column number instead of row number. So it will give me the column numbers. Okay, for even column numbers I want to color it. Okay, how can I find out whether it is a even column number? So I just put is even, the function. Okay, it is going to bring whether it's a even column number or not. Okay, see, the B is a even column number, D is a even column number, F is even column number, and so on. So I am going to use the conditional formatting to find out if the value is true, then color it. Okay, so what I am going to do first, I use the conditional formatting. Before that I select the sheet, then go to home, then the conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, new rule. In the rule I will go use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I am using the formula to determine the cells. Here I am coloring for rows, alternative rows. So first I need to check each cell's row number. So it will give me the each current cell's row number. For that I am going to check whether it is even or not. If it is even, then it will bring true. If this value is true, then format. Go to format, then I will use the blue color for the fill, the background of this cell. Okay, and okay, so I formatted already. So the rule I am going to press OK, then you can see it put the alternative rows are colored. Okay, similarly for alternative columns, again you select, then go to home, conditional formatting, then new rule, then select use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then you see whether what is the column number of that particular cell. Okay, for each column number you check again whether it is a even column number. If it is even column number, then format it. Okay, again blue, then press OK. Once I formatted, then I am going to new formatting rule, also press OK to create a new rule for this. Then you can see it created the alternative columns colored. Okay, so it will become like a checked fashion. Okay, so why we are doing this exercise? In this exercise you will know how to use the conditional formatting and coloring according to you in the tables and other your data. Okay, next you also want to do the same thing for this checked fashion. Okay, this is very interesting check, and what we are going to do is that check 2. Okay, for the check 2 what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the alternative cells to be colored. Okay, how can I find the alternative cells? Okay, for that I'm going to use both the row number as well as the column number of the cell. Okay, I will get the row number of the cell plus the column number. So since this is the cell of first column and first row and first column, it becomes 2. Okay, for the B it will become first row and second column, so it becomes 3. Okay, similarly for C it is 4, and so on. Okay, so this is like this. Then similarly for the row wise, you can see it's moving on the so we want to color only the alternative cells we are evens automatically when you add the row number and column number. Okay, so the actual addition of row number and column number, if it is even, then we will color it only one rule. Okay, so how can we do that? Okay, how we are going to do that? Just select, then go to home, then conditional formatting, new rule, formula to determine which cells to format. So we will we are writing a rule to color it. Okay, so first what we are doing, we want the row number of the cell and the column number of the cell. Okay, then we need to check whether this addition is even number. Okay, if it is even number, I want to format. What kind of format? I am going to give the red color. Okay, then press OK. So we have given the color. This color is the fill, the background of the cell. Okay, press OK. Then after that the rule also press OK to create a new rule. You can see it is colored every alternative cell. Okay, like a tiles. Okay, so this kind of coloring and cosmetic we can use conditional formatting as well as the row and column numbers of the cells. Okay, so this exercise will help you in different fashion on your tables and data. For presentation purpose you want to color it, you can color it. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. The channel button Alan Sam is already displayed on the screen, and leave your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.